on it. It's a tree.
Don't hit that car. That's not our car. Get it away from the car. What about the stick, Daddy?
She already has the other stick in the trunk that she doesn't do anything with.
Oh. Daddy says you can't keep the stick.
Remember this stick? Remember that big stick? Yeah, exactly.
Well, Mommy, big it.
What have we done with that stick? Nothing. Come on, out. Throw the stick away.
Now let's get it in. Please, let's get in.
How about this stick?
That one's broken.
I love this one. Like Ben.
Say bye-bye.
Like, ding, ding.
I know. Daddy said no. Alright. Come on, get in.
It's not funny.
Silly. Come on. In, please.